It's No Mow May. As meadows disappear, birds and pollinators follow, and many are now found on list of endangered and threatened species. Pollinating insect populations are declining globally. Some Canadian honeybee species have declined by up to 96%. The reason behind this are the use of insecticides, habitat loss, and overall reduction in biodiversity. Changing the way we mow lawn can result in a tenfold increase in the amount of nectar available to bees and other pollinators. The loss of landscape, which means a loss of food source for pollinators, is one of the key drivers of their decline. Gardens can really make a difference to the numbers of wildflowers. Not only is not mowing the lawn awesome for kids, freeing up lots of playtime, it also supports pollinators and other insects, creates wildlife habitat, and improves biodiversity corridors, reduces soil erosion and flooding risks. No Mow May doesn't ask you to never mow, just to reduce mowing to once a month. Plus more football for me. More football for me. Ow. Football for me. Someone go get it, please. Plus more football for me. Plus more football for me. Plus more football for me. Plus more football for me.